Welcome to the SCiNiTO How To Series, your quick guide to using AI for smarter research. In this video, we'll look at how to use the advanced search option in SCiNiTO to perform more precise and structured searches using Boolean operators. To start an advanced search, go to the Search section in SCiNiTO and click on the Advanced button. This opens the Advanced Search panel, where you can enter your search phrases and define how they should be combined. For example, let's type in a sample phrase here. Next, click on Add New Condition to include another keyword or phrase. From the drop-down menu, you can choose how to combine these terms, using and, or not operators. Once you've added your conditions, click Apply to run the search. You'll see that SCiNiTO automatically retrieves results that match your chosen logic. When you use the Advanced Search panel, SCiNiTO automatically treats your input as a complete phrase and adds quotation marks around it. However, if you prefer to type directly into the main search box, and your phrase includes more than one word, you can manually add quotation marks around it to ensure the entire phrase is searched together, not as separate words. To access your search history, click on the small clock icon next to the search box. Here, you can see a record of your past searches along with the dates they were performed, so you can revisit or reuse previous queries anytime. That's it for this tutorial on using the advanced search feature in SCiNiTO AI. Try it yourself at SCiNiTO's website to make your research process smoother and more efficient.